Welcome. In this e-learning module, I shall demonstrate and make you understand how to design the strip guide plate, which will be mounted behind the strip. Let's measure the distance between the die plate's front surface and the strip's front surface. Pick the measure command. Select the front face of the die plate, then select the front face of the strip layout. The measured distance is 55.5 millimeters. Let's measure the distance between the die plate's rear surface and the strip's rear surface. Pick the measure command. Select the rear surface of the die plate, then select the rear surface of the strip layout. The measured distance is 55.5 millimeters. The edge distance provided for the fasteners is 15 millimeters. Let's calculate the space available to mount the strip guide plate. It will be 55.5 millimeters minus 15 millimeters of edge distance, minus another 15 millimeters gap between the strip guide plate's rear surface and the fastener hole center. 25.5 millimeters is the space available for the strip guide plate. Let's design the width of the strip guide plate as 25 millimeters. We have designed the length of the die plate as 144 millimeters. The strip guide plate's length should be at least equal to the length of the die plate. Now let's design the strip guide plate. Create a new part file with the part name as strip guide plate back. Create a position sketch on the top XY plane. Sketch a rectangle. Update the width of the strip guide plate to 25 millimeters. Update the strip guide plate's length to 144 plus an additional 50 millimeters for the strip support plate. Make sure the sketch is fully constrained and exit the Sketcher workbench. Create a pad of thickness 12 millimeters. Save the file. Make sure the file is getting saved under the project folder. Let's create a sketch for the location of fasteners. Create a position sketch on the top surface of the strip guide plate. Sketch an infinite horizontal line. Convert the infinite horizontal line into the construction element. Sketch the points for fastener locations. Sketch 2 screw holes for fastening the strip guide plate to die plate. Sketch 2 dowel holes for locating the strip guide plate on the die plate. Sketch 2 more fastener holes for the support plate. Apply a symmetry constraint to the infinite horizontal line, with reference to the strip guide plate's top and bottom edges. Create dimensions for the first screw hole position and dowel hole position. Sketch an infinite vertical line. This vertical line indicates the end of the die plate. Convert the infinite vertical line into the construction element. Create a dimension between the left edge of the strip guide plate and the infinite vertical line. Update this dimension to 144 millimeters, which is the length of the die plate. Create an edge distance dimension for the second screw hole position and second dowel hole position. Create edge distance dimensions for the screw holes of the support plate. Update the edge distance dimension of the screw holes to 15 mm. Update the dimension of the dowel holes to 15 mm. Make sure the sketch is fully constrained and exit the Sketcher workbench. Update the feature name of the sketch's fastener locations. Create an up-to-next counterbore hole for a metric cap screw of size M5 close. Apply a user pattern and create all other screw holes. Create an up-to-next simple hole of dia, 5 mm for dowels. Apply a user pattern and create all other dowel holes. Provide an entry chamfer of 15 mm by 15 degrees to the right side, bottom corner of the strip guide plate. Provide a corner radius of 1 mm to the edges of the chamfer. Set the view to isometric and fit all in. Save the strip guide plate. Now let's assemble the strip guide plate to the die assembly. Swap the window to the die assembly. Click on the existing component command. Pick the product one, which is the die assembly. Pick the strip guide plate from the file selection window. Use the manipulation command and drag the strip guide plate. Provide a contact constraint between the top of the die plate and the strip guide plate's bottom. Provide a contact constraint between the strip guide plate's front surface and the strip layout's back surface. Provide a coincidence constraint between the die plate's left surface and the strip guide plate's left surface. Update the assembly. Make sure the strip guide plate is assembled as per the required position and orientation. Set the view to isometric fit all in. Save the die assembly. With this, we have successfully designed the strip guide plate. That's all in this e-learning module. Thanks.